Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Got your coffee, guys? How's everybody doing on this happy, thankful Thursday? All right, if you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me, guys, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Let's talk about it. Woo! Awesome. All right, guys, we are back. I want to talk about an update. I'm a little behind. Been pretty busy, but I'm behind on this update. I typically catch these things pretty much the same week they come out. So I missed it. So I want to come back and I want to give you guys an update on this affiliate program that I'm a part of. I want to go here and make sure I get, let's see if this is in the Facebook group. I'm going to pull it up, but I need to make sure I find it here. Let's take a look here. Let's see. Okay, yes. All right. This particular program, M.A.P, getting paid with M.A.P is simple. Earn $247 on everyone you enroll. Okay, $247 instant commissions any way you want. I love affiliate marketing. That's my number one thing. I'm heavy in affiliate marketing. I've been doing for years. Okay, go back and check out my channel. Direct mail marketing, I found my success in that with my postcards. And by the way, I know people have been asking me, hey, I haven't seen you talk about the postcard programs in a while. I'll be coming back to show you guys. We'll do an update, but the postcard programs are still up. You know my number one, but we'll get into that. Today we're talking about M.A.P. All right, so affiliate marketing, love affiliate marketing. Number one is direct sales, okay? Member to member, okay? This is not MLM. You're paid instantly. When people go to your site and they click that buy now button, they're going to pay you directly. There's no middleman. There's no company in the middle that has to pay you and hold your commissions, any of that. As soon as they click that link, it goes directly to your payment options, whatever you decide. Okay, we don't need to build a team and all that stuff. It's instant, member to member. Okay, if I sell 10 of these, if I make 10 sales, right? 10 sales from this product, what's that? $2,047, right? I don't have to go out and recruit per se. It's to build a team. Okay. Right? So you don't have to be even smart to do this business. $2,470. All right. $2,470, 10 sales. Okay? That's it. All right? So not multi-level marketing at all. So paid anywhere you want. And they provide you your own affiliate link to this page. Okay, you can see I am on this page where we got folks that make $4,000, $3,000, $7,000, $1,400. I mean, this is just a screenshot of people getting paid with this program. All right, so you get paid $247 over and over. Done for you system. Complete sales funnel. They provide you with a website. They provide the capture page, the autoresponder to follow up with your people. Just what it says here. Capture page, video reveal pages, built-in follow-up, auto recruiting, okay, to make your life easier. Your job is just to get people to the page and let the system do all the selling and telling. We don't have to explain this stuff. We don't have to get on conference calls. I don't have to do a Zoom. You don't have to attend a Zoom. You don't have to go to a hotel. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Just share your link, let the system do the selling and telling, It will weed out the tire kickers. The people that's interested, they will take action. The people that's not, they'll carry on. Okay? So that's what we love about these sales funnels and these done-for-you systems. Full autoresponder included. Complete sales funnel. Bonus. There's no monthly charges here, guys. It's a one-time fee to get this system, and you can make $247 over and over and over and over, unlimited, as much as you want, direct to your bank account. Okay? The products consist of digital marketing tools. Okay? These products will show you how to make money online, how to market. Everything you need is included, even where you can get people from that may be interested in this type of opportunity. Okay? So, now, the new thing they've added, well, removed actually, they had a one-up. This was at once a reverse one-up. Your first $247 sale, you would keep that, and then your second sale would pass up. But guess what? They've taken that away. Now you keep all your sales, $247 over and over and over and over. No pass-ups. Is that cool or what? Shout out to M.A.P on that. A little thing. Shout out to them on that. That's awesome. I mean, I did it within the first week, but hey, I love it. So that's something they've taken away. Take a look. You can tell how it's set up, but I'm going to show you the announcement in the Facebook group. But see how it's set up? It used to say here, like the second sale would pass up, and you would keep the third sale to infinity. But see, it's just showing you $247 over and over and over. $247 to infinity and beyond. Capture your bonus. Get paid $247 24/7. Don't miss out. It's a proven fact. This one-page presentation will enroll members for you. Yes, I agree. This is how I got all my folks through the system. I don't do presentations over the phone. I don't do three-way calls. I don't do any of that. I will answer people questions after they've looked at all this stuff. It's not a lot to look at, actually. After they've gone up, watched the video, this is what you need to do if you're interested. Before you call me, watch the video, read over the website, jot down your questions, okay? And then let's have a chat, okay? Be happy to answer any questions you may have, okay, guys? And if you're serious, some people just go ahead and sign up, okay? Here's the cost. How much is it? $33 goes to the company. Keep everything, the system up, the website, etc. You got all your capture pages and everything. $247 will go to your enroller. So a whole $280 one-time investment for you to be able to earn $247 over and over and over. Okay? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I've shown you guys plenty of times where I've received $247 payments via Cash App, Stripe, any way you want to accept your payments. I accept basically all types of payments. Cash App, Venmo, you got a debit card or credit card, the system will direct you. So I don't have to do any of that over the phone, any of that. You just go to the link and you can make your payment, guys. Okay? Let me show you the capture page I'm using, and I'm going to put the link in the description. Better yet, also, let me give you the website that'll take you straight here. www.besteasyworkincome.com. Okay, I'm going to put that link in the description. And you're going to go there, put in your name and email, and watch the video, read over the website, jot down your questions if you have any, and we can get you rocking and rolling. This is instant setup, guys. As soon as you make your payment, I'm going to be notified, okay, via my payment processor, however you decide to pay, whatever method you use, that company, let's say you use a debit card or credit card, the company is going to send me an email and say, hey, you just made $247. This person signed up. Here's their name, right? We'll be notified. So then I'm going to go to my little smartphone here, my smart device. This is a money maker. This is all you need online to make money, even in crypto. You need your smartphone. This is going to notify me, hey, okay? And I'm going to go here. I'm going to log into my back office of this system. I'm going to see your name because the processor already told me your name, right? The payment processor that you paid through, whether it's Cash App, Zelle, debit card, credit card, the company is going to let me know. I'm going to look for your name in my back office. Next to it, it's going to say confirm. Did they pay? Yes or no? And I'm going to click confirm, and boom. Okay, I'm going to send you an email, and I'm going to welcome you aboard. And then you're going to have access to log in your back office where everything is there. And then we're going to walk through. I'm going to assist you in onboarding. Okay, so I can make sure that you set up your payment processors to your specifications. So when people sign up with you, you get paid. Then guess what else I'm going to do? I'm going to pay for your first paid advertising. Okay, to get some eyeballs to your website. Okay, that's what I'm going to do for you, as well as offer one-on-one support. And I'm going to email you my marketing resources, places where I go to buy traffic of people that's interested in making money online. Okay, guys, that's what I do. I offer one-on-one support. I'm accessible. You'll be able to call me. Okay, I don't run from people when they sign up and go MIA. All right, so make sure before you sign up with anyone, you're going to be able to reach them. Okay, because people will go MIA on you. All right, guys. So let me show you the page that I'm using. I'm going to put that link in the description, www.besteasywworkincome.com. Go there, get started. This is a great thing, guys. No pass-ups, because I know a lot of new people go, oh, I got my first sale, but oh, I got to pass up my second sale, right? You don't have to do that anymore, even though I like that leveraged, because everybody, when you do that, me personally, it's probably because I've been in the game a while. Everybody passes up their second sale, so I'm earning those passive profits without little effort, okay? But yeah, that is no longer here. Before I show you that page, so let me show you in the Facebook group where the owner has said he removed that. Let's take a look. Like I said, I'm behind on it. May 8th, he posted an important pass-up update. After hearing from the overwhelming majority of the M.A.P users, we are going to get you paid on every person you enroll. The first person, second person, third person to infinity and beyond. The pass-up was a test with M.A.P, and you probably already know that M.A.P was made for the members, not the owners. I like that, because I know a lot of companies out here, the owners is money hungry. Okay, they want everything. He is saying, hey, this was meant for you guys. All right, so it was not made for the owners. He said if it was made for the owners, we charge you a monthly charge. That's true. There's a lot of companies out here that's doing that, which we don't have, right? There's no monthly fees. Once you pay $33 to the company one time, pay $247 to me one time, that's it. You don't owe the company or me any more funds. It's a wrap. You're in. Okay? All right. Sometimes this week, M.A.P will no longer feature the reverse one up. That was on May 8th, so it's already gone now, right? We have noticed that when someone got their first person, they stopped promoting. They didn't want to lose that second person. So it's gone. So shout out to M.A.P for that. Awesome. Awesome. All right. When you go to besteasywworkincome.com, you're going to get this page. This is what my capture page looks like. Unlimited payments 24/7. Receive unlimited cash payments deposited directly into your favorite account multiple times per day. That's on you. That could happen. I've had payments with that post several times, and not just with this program. I could be promoting this one and get $247, then another program $100. So it's unlimited times per day. Okay, depending on how much you promote the opportunity. Cash App, Zelle, Venmo, etc. This plug-in automated system will pay you consistently 24/7, even while you sleep. Now, when they say even while you sleep, meaning I set up everything For example, myself, I get out here, I promote it, I run traffic, I got everything set up. I've done my part. I put the information out, I got traffic running. Wake up one morning, boom, you got 247 in your account. So that was why I was sleeping, but I had to put things in motion. Take action. All right. So it says here, use our traffic packages. Video reveals all. So in the back office, there's traffic packages, as well as I'm going to share with you the ones that I use to get traffic. People that's interested in making money online. I don't have to go chase people in the Facebook Messenger. I don't have to text people I don't know and bug them. None of that. Okay. We reach out to people that's interested in making money online. They've already said, hey, I'm interested. What you got? Show me what you got. Okay. That's what we do. Okay. So if you're interested in getting started with me in M.A.P, go to the link in the description, www.besteasyworkincome.com. I would love to partner with you. Let's get this money. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And get started with M.A.P today. All right. Look forward to seeing you in the back office. If you have any questions, give me a call. But before you call me, please go to the website, read over everything, jot down your questions. All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. All right. Before you leave, smash it, smash it. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.